In this video, you'll learn how to schedule a meeting in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. We'll go through the fastest and most straightforward way to create a meeting so your pipeline stays organized and your follow-ups remain on track. Starts by opening your Pipedrive account and navigating to the Activities section from the left-hand sidebar. This area serves as the central hub for all your tasks, including calls, follow-ups, and meetings. Inside the Activities section, you may see your tasks displayed in a list view or a calendar view. Both views allow you to manage upcoming activities, but the Activities section is where you create and organize everything related to your schedule. To add a new meeting, locate the plus icon or the Add Activity button at the top of the Activities list. Click on it to open the activity creation form, where you will enter the details of your meeting. Begin by entering a clear and descriptive subject for your meeting so it's easy to identify later. Next, set the date, start time, and end time. Make sure to double-check the time zone if you are working with people in different regions. Add a short description or agenda in the notes section to outline the purpose of the meeting and any preparation required. This helps you stay organized and ensures you're ready when the meeting begins. It's important to set the activity type to Meeting. This ensures that Pipedrive treats it as a calendar event rather than a general task or call. While creating the meeting, link it to the relevant person, organization, or deal. This keeps your records connected and makes it easier to track communication and follow-ups later. If you're working with a team, make sure the correct owner is assigned and adjust visibility settings if necessary. You can also set reminders, such as email or in-app notifications, to make sure you don't miss the meeting. If there is a location or video meeting link, add it in the Location or Notes field for quick access. Once all the details are complete and the activity type is set to Meeting, save the activity. Your meeting will now be scheduled and visible in your Activities list in Calendar View. That's all there is to it. To summarize, go to Activities, click the plus button, fill in your meeting details, set the type to Meeting, and save. By following this process, you can easily schedule meetings in Pipedrive, stay organized, and ensure your conversations are properly tracked within your workflow.